I'm getting ready to go downstairs. We're having a quarantine party. And I just got done doing makeup and getting ready to go down. And I guess just do a little bit of dancing. Put on a little bit of lip gloss. Let me see how I look real quick. Not much we can really do. This is 2020 NYE, New Year's Eve 2020, bringing in 2021. Yes, Lord. Thank you. Thank you, Jesus. We made it. Yeah? Let's see his reaction. I'm just putting on some lip gloss. I'm just putting on some lip gloss.
You look gorgeous.
Oh, thank you.
Oh. Oh, really? Oh.
Why are you crying?
I'm not crying.
I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to you. Why are you crying?
Oh my goodness.
You want some lip gloss? Do you want some lip gloss?
No,
I'm tired.
I'm coming up here to tell you what she did.
You want to go to sleep?
Going through the filters.
That's cute.
And so she liked the filter, so she stood back and then she did like this. And then she went and changed the filter and then came back to this pose right here. I said, who are you?
Who are you?
Me.
Boom.
A minute behind. That's crazy. Happy New Year. Wow.
Dilly did not hang with us the whole night.
She did not.
She fell short about maybe what, 20-30 minutes. I just got done putting her to sleep. Got down here at 11:50, and so all fireworks going off. So this is definitely one of the more different New Year's Eves. I'm just messing up this video, but this is one of the more different New Year's Eves. Quarantining during a pandemic. You know, just gotta find the beauty in it all. I'm thankful to have you guys, my family.
Come on, here we go, babe.
We up, so just go ahead.
Let's just rewind it.
Babe.
It's already up.
Happy New Year. Okay guys, I wanted to do a get ready with me, but hold on. But I was running really late. Well, not really late. My New Year's resolution is not to be late, so I just wanted to kind of be at least as close to on time as I possibly could be. I think I'm here before my friend, but we're pretty much getting ready to get some Mexican food. And so, yeah, I didn't get to do a get ready with me, but I will take you guys along on the vlog. And she's pulling up right there. So yeah, I'm here before her. So, okay. Look at my pregnant friend. Struggling. I was vlogging.
How are you?
Good, how are you? Right.
Yeah.
You can't have that now.
Let's see. What drinks do you guys have? Do you have lemonade?
I do.
Can I have lemonade, please?
Okay. Here.
Give me my card. Shoot. Snatch my card back.
Sorry, I had to get my camera out.
Oh. She is so cute.
Thank
She
you.
can, like, wait. Wait.
It's taking you so long to figure this out. I got some chips and queso.
I don't really care for the shrimp, but maybe I'll eat the other stuff that's in it. It just had like a different.
Come, son. Come, you the best. Thank you.
I got you. I got you, sis. My sister's here. Cal here. My brother here. Yeah. Dylan, you're here, Dylan. It's doing nice up here, man. All right, hold on, Mom. Hold on. Yeah, I had order for the table, sis.
Workout? Huh? You about to work out too? Come on, y'all. You gotta move. You're gonna do some walking. You gotta talk to it.
Hey, you going to?
Going to the gym with my parents.
You going to the gym with the parents?
I'm about to work out.
You better work out.
Have some fun.
Have some fun.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
So we brought our Lysol. We have sprayed everything down. So we're taking our mask off and also our sanitizing wipes so that we can kind of work out and also be able to breathe. Where you want to work out, baby? Okay, I don't know if you can do that, but when Daddy comes back in here, he'll show you what you can do. I'm getting ready to get on the treadmill, start off, and then I'll move over here. Hey y'all, so I figured today would be a great day to do some self-care. So I'm getting ready to just run some errands and figured I would take you guys along with me. I have glasses on because you don't even want to see the bags underneath these eyes, but that's why we're gonna do some self-care today. I'm gonna go get some stuff to just pamper myself and you know, just cater to me because yeah, your girl has been missing out on a lot of sleep, just doing too much. So it's Sunday. I plan on just having a little self-care day and running some errands. So if you guys want to come along, definitely just keep watching this video. Okay y'all, I'm in Target and I'm gonna show y'all some of the stuff that I'm looking at. I'm actually just going to be doing some browsing. So far I found this little pillow for our guest room, and it'll just be like the little accent pillow for the guest room. And then I got these for our back porch, just some little string lights to kind of hang in the back area to kind of vibe out there. I got a couple places to go to. I was on the phone earlier, so I couldn't really get a lot of what I was looking at in Target, but I'm gonna just show y'all what I can, okay? I'm actually back in the car. Just got done out of Target, shopping in Target. And okay, I just got done in Target and I got some stuff, and the plan was to go to a couple other places, but like, yeah, I'm tired. I don't know about y'all, but like ever since this pandemic, like I go to one spot, maybe two, and I'm like ready to go back inside. So I think I'm just gonna go home and continue my self-care there. I bought some good skincare. Well, I won't say good, but I don't know how it is yet, but I bought some skincare items to kind of try out, and hopefully they are good and I can kind of do some relaxing. Plus I need to eat. So I'm on the way home and I will check back in with you guys once I get there. See y'all in a few. Okay, yes, so I thought I was gonna be doing some chill self-care stuff today. You know, I ran a couple errands earlier, but truth of the matter is I need to get this room together. Let me show you guys some of this, like boxes everywhere. It's just stuff I need to get rid of. It's just stuff I need to get rid of, like, and organize. It's just like everywhere. And so that for me is kind of like self-care, because I can kind of think clearly, I can kind of process. So whatever it is that makes you feel good, definitely try to do that today. Even if it's something that is more so kind of work, but it's going to get you ready for your next week or, you know, tomorrow, then I would just suggest doing that, because at the end of the day you will feel good when it's done. And so I'm going to get to cleaning up this room, and I know I'll feel good about it later. And I'll show you guys the finished product. Excuse the stain, my daughter spilled paint right here, but I'm all done. I've cleaned up, organized this closet, all my little crafts and stuff, and that is what I call self-care. Let me turn this music down, hold on. Okay, I plan on hanging that chair up there. I need to get some hardware for it, and we got Christmas lights outside, but hopefully we'll get those taken down soon. But yo, the room is clean. Now I can start my week tomorrow. All these clothes have been purged and are going out the door, and look how much stuff I'm getting rid of, and like how much I've cleaned up, and I just feel really good. So I hope that you guys, and I'm gonna hang those signs and just get this room in order because it's been way too long. I hope you guys did some self-care today and followed along with my self-care. Hopefully it was helpful and motivating. It's gonna get better because I needed a space to kind of do this. So now that I kind of have this open area, I'm gonna transform it. Let me get some light. I'm gonna try to transform it into something that's more conducive to having my self-care days, because we need those. But thank you guys so much for watching this vlog / self-care Sunday. Hope you guys have an amazing week, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.